Hello guys and welcome to How To Tutorial. So today in this video, I will guide you to activate your Milestone Mastercard account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your web browser, go to your search tab and type milestone.myfinanceservice.com and enter. And with this, you will directly land on the official website of Milestone. And here, if you do not have any account, then you can register your account by clicking on this register your account option here. In order to log in, you will need to give your username first here, and after that your password. And if you have forgotten your password or username, then you can recover them by clicking on this forgot your username or password and through the process. And after all this, all you need to do is click on this login button right here. And after you are logged in, locate activation tab over there and receive the activation code at registered email address and enter the code at relevant place. And with this, your Milestone card will be activated. So this was it for today guys. I hope you all guys liked the video and find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.